Alright, good morning mga brad. Tapos na ang ating morning routine. Kala mo naman araw-araw nagja-jogging. Alam ko po, ngayon, weekend and you deserve a break. Nakakapagod din kasi maghapon o isang linggo tayo nagtrabaho, no? Tama yan, mag-rest ka. You know what? May isang verse sa Bible nagsasabi, dito ka hindi dapat mapagod. Kung napapagod ka physical sa trabaho, dito, walang panahon para mapagod. You see, in the Bible, it says in Galatians 6, do not be weary. Huwag daw tayong mapagal, huwag tayong mapagod. Do not be weary of doing good. Ayan. Huwag daw tayong mapagod sa paggawa ng kabutihan. Sabi dito, because in the proper time, you will reap the harvest of righteousness. So fruitful po pala pag tayo hindi napapagod sa pagiging mabait, mabuting tao, pagtulong sa kapwa, alam mo yon, paglaban ng patas, pagiging humble, pagsunod sa kautusan ng Diyos. Sabi, you will reap the harvest of what? Of righteousness. If you do not give up. Yung po yung premise doon. Alam nyo, we love the promise na mag-reap ng harvest. Pero do we take the challenge nung premise if we do not give up? Alam ko, marami sa inyo napalagoong in the past o pinapalagoong hanggang ngayon. Just keep doing good. Do not be weary. Pray for that person at the very least. Kung ikaw yung tao na parang feeling mo despite sa ginagawa mo, ikaw pa rin yung binapalagong, ikaw pa rin yung minamaliit, ikaw pa rin dinidihado, just keep doing good. Kasi God is our avenger. Okay, huwag kang gaganti sa kasamaan nila. God will avenge for you, sabi niya sa Bible. So do not repay evil with evil. Just keep doing good, repay evil with good, because in the proper time, we will reap the harvest of righteousness. Kaya yung kasunod na verse sabi, if you have an opportunity, just do good. Every opportunity, gawin mo, sunggaban mo, just do good to others, even if you feel like hindi deserving yung tao. Again, we're doing this for God and not for men. Happy weekend, everyone, and do not forget, do not be weary of doing good. God bless. This is your Pastor Jeff, your daily dose of inspiration. God bless.